Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you different method of sprite wizard crowd in Maya 2022 with help of FX and particle. So let's get started. I have taken this character. This is the animation of only 24 frame. If you want this character, just comment me. I will give you this. So to create a sprite wizard crowd, first you have to go to Windows rendering editor, open render setting, render using select Maya software instead of Arnold, and file name this one as run. Image format, select Maya IFF. Frame animation exit, select it name.exit.hash. Frame padding 4. Start frame 1 and in frame 24. Renderable camera perspective 1. See the camera name perspective 1. Preset 540 to 540. Aspect ratio 1.787. Now close this window. Change modeling menu to rendering menu. First you have to set project. Go to file, set project. Move this one here. Click play. Click on this icon, resolution get, and adjust your character. Turn off your grid. Now this time go to render, click base render. See, rendering is completed. So check your folder. See the image, IFF image. Now minimize the window, save your scene. Take a new scene. Turn on grid. Now go to create curve tool. Select CV curve tool. Press shift on your keyboard. This will make your curve straight. And press enter. Now with selected your curve, change rendering menu to FX menu. Go to N particle. From legacy particle, open emit from object option. Edit, reset the setting. Select emitter type curve. Red particle per second 100. Speed type here 4 or type here 5. Random speed 3 or 4. Normal speed make it 0. Click create. Now click play and see. Alt B to see the particle clearly. See, the particle are moving along x-axis. So open attribute editor, select particle shape 1. Go to rendering attribute, change render particle type point to sprite. Now this time click play and see. These are sprite. Now select your N particle. Go to N particle, sprite wizard. Now browse your image. Click open. Click continue. Select cycle through the image for each particle. Again click continue. Select random. Click continue and continue. Click apply. After clicking apply, you will not see any effect of sprite wizard crowd. So to see the effect, click on this icon, textured icon. This time you will see the effect. See? Now click play and see. Again go to end particle shape 1, lifespan, type here 5. Click play and see. See the effect? Render particle type, you can type here first pause it, type here scale x2, scale y2 and see. This will increase the size of your character. I am showing you also another process. Take a new scene. Again go to end particle. Select particle tool from legacy particle and create particle point just like this. Press enter. Again open attribute editor. Particle shape 1. Renderable particle render type. Change point to sprite. Current render type. Now go to particle sprite wizard. Do the same before. Click on this icon. Decrease the frame to 24 or 5. Now click play and see. See the effect of sprite wizard crowd creation. See? You can also increase the size of your character 3 and also 3. Click play and see. Now pause. I am showing you also another process. Take new scene. Again particle tool. Create point just like this. Press enter. Renderable particle. Change it to sprite. Right click, assign new material, select Lambert. On your Lambert color checker box, click and select a file, image file, locate your image, select all files, open and connect. Now to see the effect or image effect, click on this icon. Okay, I am showing you the last process of sprite crowd creation. Take another polygon plane, scale the plane, type subdivision width and height, type 70. Go to end particle, this time from emit, open emit from object option, emitter type select surface, click create. Now select end particle, shift select your plane, go to end particle, click goal, go to frame 1, click play and see. Now again select end particle, open attribute editor, goal weight and object, make the value 1, go to frame 1, click play and see. Now click add dynamic attribute, click general, select goal offset, goal U and V, sprite num pp, sprite xpp, sprite ypp and twist pp. Click OK. Now again go to frame 1, click play and see. This time the particle is moving on the corner of the plane. Go to shading, change particle type sprite. Go to frame 1, click play and see. Now go to Goal V, right click, click create expression. If you want this expression, just comment me on my comment box. Click create. See the effect. Now go to Goal U, right click, click create ramp, edit ramp. Move this one here and also this one here. Go to frame 1, click play and see. See? Now select your end particle, right click, assign new material, select Phong. On Phong color checker box, select file and connect this image, select all file. You will not see anything, any change effect, so click on this icon to see the change effect. Go to frame 1, click play and see. See? The half of your character below of your plane and half is above. So again select end particle, select goal offset, right click, click create expression, click edit, go to front view, click play and see. Texture mode, click play and see. It is also change the value to 4. Go to frame 1, click play and see. I think this time it is correct. Now go to perspective view, open attribute editor, go to Phong 1, click on this color checker box, select use image sequence, interactive sequence caching option, click, type here 24, right click, click delete expression, go to frame 1, click play and see. Now again select end particle shape 1, select sprite num pp, click create expression, click edit, go to frame 1, click play and see. Again select, right click on your sprite num, click runtime before dynamics expression, change this value to 15, click create, go to frame 1, click play and see. Again go to sprite twist pp, right click, runtime before dynamics, click edit, go to frame 1, click play and see. Sprite num, click create expression, paste this one here, change the value to 4, click edit, click play and see. Now again go to sprite scale pp, click create expression, click edit, go to frame 1, click play and see. In this process you can also create a sprite crowd. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.